Hello everyone. Today we will discuss and read some one-liner questions on environmental biology. So first, ecology. Ecology is a branch of biology that deals with the biotics and abiotic components of environment and study of their interrelationship. The term ecology coined by Ernest Haeckel. Term ecology was derived from Greek word oikos means place and logos means study. Father of ecology is Reiter. Father of Indian ecology is R. Mishra. Ecology are three types, that is to say, they are autoecology, it is study of an individual organisms, xenecology, study of an community, demecology, study of a population. Unit of ecology is ecosystem. The term ecosystems coined by A.G. Tansley. Components of ecosystems are biotic means producer, consumer, decomposer, and abiotic air, water, soil, light and temperature. Some important terminology about ecology are ecological niche. The ecological niche of an organism is its habitat and its roles in that habitat. Ecotone, transitional zone between two different ecosystems. Ecoline, two overlapping ecosystems where it can be differentiated, where it can be ecoline, two overlapping ecosystems where it can be differentiated sharply. Example, grass and forest line. Biosphere is the life supporting zone on the earth is called biosphere. যেখানে where life exists, that is called biosphere. Biosphere reserve living community are found. Core zone legally protected, no human activity. Buffer zone, that is to say limited human activity only for research. Transition zone, living community found. Biome, a major ecological community of organisms adapted to a particular climatic or environmental conditions on a large geographical area in which they occur. Some important related acts about environment as a Wildlife Protection Act 1972, first biosphere reserve Nilgiri in 1986, Ganga Action Plan in 1985, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution 1981, Project Tiger 1973, Project Elephant 1992, Project Show Leopard 2009, Forest Conservation Act 1980, Water Act 1974, Environment Act 1986, and Biological Diversity Act 2002. Some environment related day. World Wetlands Day is observed on 2nd February. World Wildlife Day is on 3rd March. World Forest Day is observed on 21st March. World Water Day 22nd March. World Heritage Day 18th April. World Earth Day 22nd April. International Day of Biodiversity 22nd May. World Environment Day 5th June. World Ozone Day 16th September. World Habitat Day 3rd October. World Soil Day 5th December. Some important summits and protocols related to environment. Earth Summit was held at Rio de Janeiro in Brazil in 1992. Ramsar Summit, Ramsar in Iran 1971. Vienna Convention Protection of ozone layers 1985, Montreal Protocol, Canada, to check ozone layers depletions in 1987, Basel Convention in Switzerland, control of transboundary movements of hazardous wastes and their disposals in 1989, Kyoto Protocol was held in Japan, global warmings was its subject in 1997, Cartagena Protocols was held in Colombia about biosafety in 2000. World Summit on Sustainable Development was held in Johannesburg, South Africa in 2002. Paris Summit on Climate Change in 2015. Some other important environment organizations and programs and its acronyms: WWF stands for Wildlife Fund for Nature, IUCN International Union for Conservation of Nature, UNEP United Nations Environment Programme, WCN World Conservation Union, IPCC Intergovernmental Panels on Climate Change, MAB Man and Biosphere Programme. CPCB stands for Central Pollution Control Board. Some metabolic disease, itai and ouch caused by the pollutants named cadmium, Blackfoot disease caused by arsenic, Minamata disease caused by mercury, dyslexia caused by lead, Wilson by copper, mesothelioma, asbestos, mesothelioma caused by asbestos, dermatitis caused by chromium. Some powerful movements about environmental protection. Chipko movements was held in 1973 for plant conservation, led by Sundarlal Bahuguna, Chandi Prasad Bhatt in Uttarakhand, Chamoli district. The Silent Valley movement in 1978, protections of Silent Valley from hydroelectric projects led by Shastra Sahitya Parishad in Kerala. Apiko movements 1983 for plant conservations led by Panduranga Hedge in Karnataka. Narmada Bachao Andolon 1985 led by Medha Patikar, Baba Amte. Some one-liners about environmental protections. Most stable ecosystem found in ocean. Food chain is started from producers. Ultimate source of energy of an ecosystem is sunlight. 10% law was invented by Lindemans in 1942. 10% law related to energy flow. 10% law means in transferring the energy, always 10% energy is lost. 10% is not lost, 10% energy flow to the other species. Energy flow always upright and unidirectional. National Environment Engineering Research Institute is in Nagpur. First national forest policy launched in India after independence 1952. National Green Tribunal Act 2010 was held. The term hotspot coined by Norman Mailer. For hotspot in India is Western Ghats, Himalayan mountain, in the Burma regions, Nicobar Islands, etc. Brundtland Commission's report deals with sustainable development. Agenda 21st of Rio Summit 1992 relates to sustainable development. Thank you. That's all. Please like and subscribe.